we are saying that we want to focus on performance, when we are saying high performance investing, and when we are saying for high performance, all these money managers who are portfolio managers or who are founders of alternative investment funds, they are also equally setting up their portfolios for high performance. And this space is growing, and this space ultimately requires someone to deep dive to ultimately find out which are the best portfolios for what period. That is the reason we set up PMSAI World. Ultimately, we are a wealth management firm, but we understand that every wealth management company has their own forte. We cannot do everything, right? So we are attracting those informed investors who really want to associate to follow a very, very simple equation. I'll give you that simple mathematical equation, which is basically clean debt. So clean debt is a diversified portfolio of mutual fund where return is not the focus, where focus is safety, right? A clean debt, maybe it is giving 4% return, 5% return, or 5.5% return, or 6% return. If you're lucky, like it has been in case of last 3-4 months, interest rates have fallen. Some of the debt funds have given great returns, but your objective is never return. So clean debt, that is the first aspect. The second aspect is a quality equity portfolio. Quality equity, clean debt and quality equity. So what is the meaning of quality equity? Quality equity means you're holding shares, holding units. First of all, quality equity, because you need to understand what you're holding. Second part of quality equity is that you're not holding too many companies, not a too much diversified portfolio. Because portfolio is too much diversified, it loses quality. Third aspect of a quality portfolio is that it should not be too much concentrated. It should be rightly diversified. Right. Fourth aspect of quality portfolio is that the portfolio correlation, amongst each other should be very fine. So you should know what is the coefficient of correlation, what is the beta of my portfolio, how much it is sensitive to the respective benchmark. So that is the quality portfolio. Fifth and foremost part is what is the average earnings of the portfolio that you're holding, the kind of companies that you're holding. Right. So all this makes a quality portfolio. So if you have a clean debt plus a quality portfolio, still you have started your journey towards wealth creation. It's not that you're going to achieve wealth creation, it's just the first step. Now the story starts from here, right? Maybe this is 50% of the story. Remaining 50% of the story will happen over a period of 5, 7, 10 years. And that is where you require the third part of the equation, which is high conviction. You need to have high conviction throughout the period, because a lot of scenarios will come where you will feel that the debt which I'm holding is only giving me 4 or 5%. There are other debt funds, credit funds, which are running very fast. Or the time will come where you will say that I'm holding a quality portfolio, but suddenly the theme is running, or suddenly some small and mid caps which were too beaten down without any earnings behind them, but they are running, right? So you require high, and maybe you do leave that equation of clean debt and quality portfolio. So at that point of time, we require high conviction. We provide that high conviction. So this platform, when we have created, where we are doing ongoing webinars, this is what provides high conviction. And it's not, we are doing maybe twice a webinar for the entire ecosystem, but with our clients, it's throughout we are talking to them, we are interacting with them in terms of our newsletters, in terms of our one-on-one meetings on Zoom these days. But that high conviction is the third and foremost part, which is the value add that we are doing. And it is the quality, data oriented analysis back discussion, that why you should not feel bad and why you should not kind of think jittery about markets or about your portfolio when the portfolio is not performing. Or it could be other ways around. Actually the portfolio that you are holding that today is no more a quality, because a quality portfolio at times may require some kind of review, right? So that also is an ongoing thing that you need to do. So clean debt, a quality equity, and high conviction is equal to compounding, is equal to wealth creation. This is the entire equation that we want to ultimately deliver, and that is the reason we have created PMSAI platform, and that is the reason we have kept the name as PMSAI.